here.
These are for rock cutting.
Yes, this is last 150 years back. Nobody no care these things. That time it was the big rock in this area. So remove the stone, build the houses.
Okay, they removed the stone from here and built the houses.
Yeah. So what we see the Badami city near
Okay.
the monument. You know the white color? These are all newly they use sandstone
Okay.
from the quarry, then built these houses. But now new technology. There is a big white color. There's a hotel. Behind the hotel there is a new Badami. That is the west direction in Badami. There have a lot of concrete houses. Now the new technology, but bricks and cement bricks they use. But previously it was the sandstone they use. But now this is a protected area. Now no stone mining here. Then these are newly done by Archaeological Survey of India. 45 years back. I told there also some holes. So this is quarry. Please stand here. Have a look. Feel Grand Canyon, the big rocks. But Grand Canyon, like our district, very huge. There's a big river flowing Colorado. We have here the small lake. So this is a mini Grand Canyon. Why we are compared? But Grand Canyon, so many Indian people moving there. Have a look. We have a historical monuments here.
I know.
Yeah, that is natural. So we have here Colorado. We have here Grand Canyon. We have here Petra, like Jordan. Everyone here. So Badami rocks is a unique in India. So India, would you like to see like this type of rocks? Malaprabha and Ghataprabha, the both tributary they were in Krishna. So there we will see this type of rocks. Otherwise in Andhra Pradesh, Gandi Kota, the river Penna river flowing there.
Gandhi Kota.
Yeah, there we will see like this type of rocks. But Badami is a amazing rocks. So Badami, we say nowadays Badami, but before Badami it was Vatapi or Vatapipura.
Vatapi.
So later I will explain very interesting story behind that name. Yes, please come. Now have a look. This is the holes here. In front of the plant, up to the plant have a big holes. You stand here. Otherwise, would you like to sit in this place? Look the location. You cover the rocks like this. Looks like a South India map. Yeah,
Yes.
just natural. Yes, we have here the original steps. Around 50 steps are original.
Okay, these one.
Yeah, which one is the black one you compare? Left, right, have a look. Almond color.
This and these.
Yes, these are all. So the original is the center.
Because these are single rocks and these are like bricks
Yes, assemble.
assembled.
Please come with me. I hope you stand there. See, this is the second one, dedicated Vishnu. Yeah, stand here. Look back, like a Petra Valley. Similarity.
Yeah.
See the beautiful corner, beautiful landscape. This is the North Hill in Badami. So North Hill, walk and look is better. Have a look the bottom here, the iron gate. Through the gate, concrete road. Go straight after the tractor. So front of us is a big banyan tree. Near the banyan tree, a little bit red color. That is red color. That is in Bougainvillea.
Which villa?
Bougainvillea.
Bougainvillea.
Yeah, Bougainvillea. From there is the steps, more than 600 steps. Look a beautiful valley. Then 3 temples. End of the hill there is a Malagitli Shivalaya. Shiva temple lingam is there. Small temple is Vatapi Ganapati temple. Ganesha was stolen. Top of the hill Vishnu temple. Upper Shivalaya. Vishnu statue was stolen. Front of the lake is 1139 AD. Like 12th century. Later Chalukyan temple. Now is a Ellamma temple. Exactly Vishnu temple. So this is a North Hill. You know the North Hill after the Vatapi Ganapati temple, from upper part, watchtower.
Watchtower.
Yeah, Ganapati temple around there is a fortification. Have a look, there is after the lake, there is a little bit white painting.
Yes.
Near the white painting, right hand side for us. So that is a fortification. Continue. Look, there is a moving like this.
Yes,
Some
yes,
steps
yes.
are there. Last 12 years back, it was no good condition. It restored by the ASI. They did very great jobs. So around the hill have a fortification. You know the 4 type of fort in India. One is ground level, like
Yes.
Vijaypur, Gulbarga, Bidar. One is top of the hill.
Top of the hill.
South hill is the top of the hill.
Okay.
Tipu Sultan was made here fortification. In coastal, Rani Abbaka, Queen Abbaka built in front of the Ullal, front of the sea. So there is a fortification. This is around the hill have a fortification. So it was 543 AD. First Pulakesi was made. So the authentic inscription is there. It means 1478 years back they made here fortification. So this is made by Chalukya dynasty. Look the beautiful lake. You know, observation is the most important. You travel in India, Chalukya use lot of nature. So the North Hill, fortification, temples. So historian feel top of the hill have a temple, in front of the temple, big temple, Vishnu temple, front of the temple, there have a palace. But 757 AD Chalukya dynasty was completely enough. So someone 8th century they burn it. Because it's we are in the Deccan, too hot, 4 to 5 months. So they
Okay.
have a wooden palace. So they have a palace, temple, fortification, hill station. Then both hill center there's a just ground. Just built the front have a wall and out and inside is steps and one exit. Excess of water flowing here. So they use nature. Then this rainwater. They collect the rainwater. Those days it was a good water. So people drinking like swimming, skin disease was gone. Like a drinking or swimming. It was good water those days. Then behind the water, have a look. There is a Shiva temple.
Shiva
That is
temple.
a group of Bhutanatha temples. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. One moment. Have a look. This is a natural cave. So the natural cave, have a look, there is a lot of rock jointed, then nothing inside. Have a look, the left hand side wall have a little bit white painting. Center there is a red color.
Red
That is one Buddha statue was there, but it was broken.
Okay.
Yeah, that is Bodhisattva exactly, or Avalokiteshvara. How do you recognize the Avalokiteshvara? Where Buddha have a tall head, like a crown.
Yes.
That is goes to Bodhisattva. Dr. Banerjee, historian, mentioned his book.
Okay.
So that is a Bodhisattva. It means future he become a Buddha.
Okay.
Like that. Yeah, so this is one natural. So two is second number is monolithic. So this is the outside have a Lilliputs. You know the Lilliputs have a everyone dancing movement. Present in Hema Malini ji. See, make one Durga dance. First movement we will see like this. See, going like this dance movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number we say Chinna Mudra. So both movements in Hema Malini ji Durga dance. Then present Hollywood, Bollywood heroine make like some dance movement. Have a look the second number dance. Dharmendra ji.
Yes.
Then count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fifth number. See the hands like this, fingers like this. Pratik Roshan. Vikapalka Jina. He did like this dance movement. Have a look, one leg is up, then right hand like this,
Yeah.
left leg is up. This is Jitendra ji. I hope you heard the name Prabhu Deva.
Yeah.
Mukabla song. Where is the leg? Where is the hand? You can't see. Yes, where is still very popular dancer, popular hero, Prabhu Deva. So maybe inspired from here choreographer. Just we hope. Yeah.
Yeah, it is actually 1,400 years ago, and
Yeah? Yes, please come. Come up. Have a look here. Like a gymnastic. One hand standing.
yes.
So these are the pygmies or Lilliputs. So this is the gymnastic. This is the door guardian of Lord Vishnu. Just turn here, have a look. There also door guardian. Then bottom have a Lilliputs. So there also one dead end corner going also the gymnastic. Still some heroes making going like this. You know Akshay ji?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe inspired from this. And it means they have a good knowledge about the sports and yoga. You would like to see yoga, you travel in Aifale. There have a one Lord Khan temple. It's very oldest. There we will see the very beautiful one yoga.
Okay.
Yeah. Then these are pygmies. Have a look these faces like a funny. So
Yes.
avoid the evil eyes then they made. Otherwise 1400 years ago this type of people was lived here. but we want research, then we get ideas. Previously I told observation is important. So you travel in India, only Chalukyan temple architecture we will see like this type of sculpture. So properly we want research, then we get ideas. Please come.
ಅಮೃತ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನಂತರ ಆ ಅಮೃತ ಮಂತ್ರ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನ ಸಂಕೇತ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಸಂಗ್ರಹ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು.
I look the lily pots. See the hairstyle like a curly. Then someone holding the music instrument. So musicians, singer looks like a fifth number, sixth number like a dancer, like orchestra, dancer.
Yes.
This is Vishnu fifth incarnation holding the umbrella. Why Vishnu made this for? He want to kill one demon king Mahabali. Mahabali was the great donator. So he made this form. He went his king palace, asked their 3-step land. When king was agree, afterward Vishnu made this. This is the Trivikrama. You know Trivikrama is a Sanskrit shab. Sanskrit word. Three means number.
Yes.
Vikrama means step.
Vikrama means step. Okay.
So Vishnu make this for first step put the earth is covered.
Yes.
Second step put the sky is covered. At the moment Vishnu was more angry, then he asked who's placing the third step. So we will see here only third step put it on his head and pushed in underworld. Then this is Bali followers, king followers. King have a wife teacher, then king have a teacher, Shukracharya. Then the king have a son. He requesting, don't kill my father, like this. Then this looks like a warrior, you want to kill the Vishnu. So the next cave, this we will see enlarged. Please come this side. Have look, this is a husband painted. See outside also, pink and black.
Wow, there's also a design over there.
This is 1400 years back. Have a look, there is a border. The Vishnu sleeping on the snake Sheshashayana. Bottom there, have look the roots like a pink roots. You follow my finger, have look, this is a doorline.
Which one?
Doorline, mala.
Okay, yes.
Doorline.
The painting.
Yeah, then you have a look here, one female face, similarity in Ajanta caves, like this. Eyes, hairstyle, neck, shoulder, hand, body. Just have a look like this face.
Yes.
1400 years back, but all gone. Little bit here, diamond design.
Diamond design and swastik.
Yeah, swastiks are good luck symbol in Hindu religion. Around the swastiks are 4 angels, like a Gandharva. Then have a look, this is a very beautiful, as a unique sculpture, the Vishnu first incarnation. Watch was a fish, center have a lotus, around the lotus 6 fish. Please come. Have a look, this is the Vishnu third incarnation. Now looks like a human body, wild goat face, then he holding goddess of Artha. So this is a
Goddess Earth.
he saved the goddess of Artha, Prithvi.
Prithvi.
So one of the demon was kidnapped in this goddess, he went in underworld through the earth. So Vishnu made a just form because wild boar had a good dust, wild boar easy to dug this earth. So Vishnu made a just form, he went there, he killed the demon, finally he saved this goddess. This is all broad King's Cobra family. This looks like half human body, half snake body. They give the respect in Lord Vishnu. So Vishnu came on the road like a Nagaloka.
Okay.
Yeah, most important of Chalukya, the wild boar was the monogram of Chalukya dynasty, the Rajamudra symbol.
I've seen something board with flags and
Where it is?
I think Hampi or somewhere I have seen maybe on archaeological
Yeah, very simple logic is they're following Vishnu.
museum and that museum also. Yes.
Yes. Then have a look, there is angels.
Yes.
You know, every religion have angels. Someone told me Japan have angels with 12 flying in the sky. But you read in Bible, they're with wings flying in the sky. But our angels no wings, looks like absolutely flying in the sky. So angels means assistant God and goddess, like a messengers. Present, would you like to see the angels like a drone working like I hope so. Nothing in inside, just you want walk around the
Okay.
then come
Yeah.
outside, I wait here.
Yeah,
Then
sure.
inside the sanctum sanctorum, nothing there.
Such a nice hall. Pillars, load balancers. This is also like the
Yes, please.
same type of like you showed me bull and elephant. Not.